I picked up this 11 by 14 canvas from the Dollar Tree. Guys, this is going to be a really, really easy one today. Once I removed it from the package, I also picked up this piece of, it says it was wallpaper. It's like this adhesive panel. And I just loved the pattern. Very farmhouse, modern farmhouse actually, pattern on it. There were other patterns to choose from. I removed the adhesive backing and just laid it down on this piece of canvas. It was quite sticky, so there was no additional glue needed. I just want to make sure it was even, but it almost fit perfectly except for the ends. You can either cut them off, and I just decided to wrap mine around. So I had a nice clean edge. I picked up these letters from Walmart. I love them. They have that white, a little distressed look, and I loved the way the white looked. So I wanted to give you some different options. So the white was a great choice, but I also see there's black lines in my panel, so you could also paint them black. So I did paint mine black just so that you could see the difference. And I found these beads on clearance. They're just little tiny white beads with, the hole in it so I could string through. I strung through some jute that I picked up from the dollar store. Sometimes the jute from the dollar store is a little thinner and much easier to thread beads with. So the beads are going to be my hanger on the back of my canvas here. So I'm going to use some craft sticks and some hot glue to hold down the jute on the back side. It's a really easy way to create a picture hanger or any craft that you want to hang on a wall that's light. This works really good. And then I'm just going to cut the excess jute off. And now I'm going to just take my letters, some E6000, and just a little bit of hot glue to hold the letters in place so they don't slide while the E6000 is drying. You're definitely going to need E6000 because this paper has kind of a shiny feel to it, and I think the hot glue will not last on its own. You could pick up E6000 at Walmart, and I just connected my letters. And this is the first one. I did a second one and took a few pieces of dried wheat here and just glued it on the O just to give you that little fall feel. And very, very simple. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.